Good morning. The GoPro and I, we had a date. See, I'm even in a dress and everything. Let me give you more of a view. I don't want to shock anyone, so it's so tranquil and one of those moments. Yes, make me find a rock for stand up on, so I'm gonna bust my heart out there. Hold on. Alright, we can't look sexy now. Good morning! Say the sun is up. Gorgeous beaches here in Bull Bay, St. Andrew. My darlings, welcome to Jamaica. Remember, so sometimes you don't have to rush right off when you left the airport, you know. The water is really close to the airport. Now, they don't have no lifeguard on the water, them just pure and natural, but it's water nonetheless. It's still the Caribbean Sea. Good morning. Good morning. And remember always to ask yourself one question.